In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make frame photo in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to turn any shape into a clean, reusable picture frame and place your image inside it with control and precision. Start with your document open in Affinity and make sure you can see the left toolbar and the top menu. This process works great for social posts, prints, or mock-ups, so pick a canvas size that suits your project before you begin. Next, head to the Shape tool on the left side. You can choose a rectangle for a classic print look, an ellipse for a circular frame, or any shape that matches your style. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift as you drag. You can adjust the stroke color and width now if you want a visible border. The fill color doesn't matter because the image will replace it. Don't worry about exact placement yet, you can refine it later. With the shape drawn, right-click directly on it and choose Convert to Picture Frame. Your shape is now a container, which means it will crop and hold the image without permanently cutting anything. You can still resize the frame with the Move tool, and the picture will conform to the shape's boundaries. If snapping is on, it will help you align the frame to the canvas edges or center. While the frame is selected, go to File at the top, click Place, and choose the image you want to insert. Click once inside the frame to drop it in. If the image doesn't fit perfectly, use the on-canvas handles or the context toolbar to scale and reposition. Keep the aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion, and drag the image within the frame until the subject sits exactly where you want it. You can tweak the frame stroke to create a clean border, and resize or rotate the whole frame as needed. That's it. You've turned a simple shape into a polished picture frame in Affinity and placed your photo professionally inside.